Alright, Dogs Gang, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today we are just going to be making a Playboi Carti type beat with Purity. I got Purity recently, and I found out this is one of the greatest VSTs I've ever used in my life. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And don't forget to join the Discord, okay? The Discord's pretty dope, so I would recommend you join that. And yeah, I'm not making this a long intro. I am not in the mood, okay? Because if this video gets messed up again, I'm actually gonna punch my computer screen. Let me just stop being sadistic for a second. Okay, so where is it? Hey, oh, there it is, Purity, yay. Let's open that up. Okay, so there's this preset that I've heard in every single Mexico or drill beat I've ever come across, and it's called Partial. And I've literally, it's in almost every famous Dex song that came out in 2017. Literally, look it up. That, okay? So we're gonna make like a nice little chord progression. So let's do that. Okay, let's try this. All right, this is cool. All right, let's just. All right, let's speed this up a little bit. It's a bit slow. This is kind of cool. I like. All right, nice. Let's see if I've used gross beat on this before, and it's worked once very well, and then the rest of the times I've used it, it's just not worked. So let's try and see what happens when I add gross beat on this. Okay, you know what? That works. I like that. I'm probably gonna mute those because I might use these notes later on, but we're just gonna mute these. Man, I don't think I should have done that. I kind of want to check out the different pitches. Let's try some different pitches.
2,000 years later.
All right, so there's that. Now let's add. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna add bells. That's what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. All right, so I'm just gonna make this a full Purity thing. This beat. So we're just gonna add some nice bells. I know Purity has some decent bells. Whoa, what? Why is that so, what? Why does that take so long to... Kind of like that, but it's a bit slow. All right, I'm just gonna. So you know what? That's a cool melody. I'm gonna use that. I like that. Now let's try a flute from Purity. All right, let's get the drums now. I'm tired of doing this. Let's do the drums. This is annoying me now. Alright, now let's go these hi-hats in. We're doing stutters. I don't care. Doing stutter hi-hats. Let's try that. Alright, let's get these kicks. Alright, now we need a snare. We just need a snare and that's about it. So let's find a nice. Wow, I'm just fucking. I kind of want to stretch this out. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it like this. Alright, well, you know what? There's the beat. If you enjoyed the video, if you did, make sure to leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox beat.